So good morning everybody. Welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So in the last class actually we have discussed up to 58 problems in Maxima and Minima. So tomorrow we are going to complete this chapter, this Maxima and Minima. So that new chapter will start. Okay, due to power failure actually I didn't inform earlier. So but this is a regular time. So you need not worry till the month of end of the month of May. So our classes will be regular 10 to 12 and even if possible evening 4:10 to or 5:30 or 5:45 like that. The classes will be continued. Okay, sound is very low. Right. Okay, now you may be getting. Right. Once again I will check the sound also. Okay. Slowly you will get it now. I increase the volume also. Okay, Seshwardhan, I think you are new. Have you joined? Have you subscribed? Venkat Charan, Chintu, Narla Venkateshwarlu, Dishwank. Okay. Added. Added. Sanjarani, Bhumika, Kishore, Pravalika, Vamshi Royals, Jintu, Ramesh, Suma, Kiran Kumar, Venkat Charan. Okay, Prasanna. Sandeep. Jayalakshmi. Saiti. Today so many newcomers are there. New words. Shashivardhan. Right. Saranya. Sumit Reddy. You are also new. Sri Lakshmi. Madhurima. Gopalam Sai. Okay, let us start. Okay. So now let us check now once again. I will connect to other net now. Okay, later we'll do it. Let it be in the evening. So my classes will be continued, but don't worry. Now okay? Voice is okay now? Right. Okay, 1 minute, let us wait. Question number is 59. Okay. 59. Okay. Right. So after completion of this class, actually I will make the WhatsApp group accessible to you. In that group, discuss about the Eamcet examination and IIT examination, etc. Okay? Please try to understand. Please don't discuss Sanjay Rani, don't discuss. Okay, timetable. Ready Lokesh, you are also. Okay, right. Now the question number 59. Question number 59. I do what I do, I cannot do anything. Now it's audible. Okay. A line segment a line segment a line segment of length 8 centimeters is divided into two parts two parts two parts AP and PB by a point P. If AP square plus PB square is minimum then AP equals to, that means length of AP, first option 6 centimeters, second option is 5 centimeters, third option is 4 centimeters, fourth option is 2 centimeters. So this is the question. Right. A line segment of length 8 centimeters is divided into two parts AP and PB by a point P. If AP square plus PB square is minimum, then length of AP we need to find out. So that means, for example, you take a line segment of length 8 centimeters. Say this is A point, this is B point. It is divided by the point P. Okay. So that means, for example, AP length is equal to say X, PB length is equal to say Y. That means total length is given 8 centimeters. That means indirectly given x plus y is equal to 8. Say equation 1. Now we need to minimize AP square plus PB square. So now the solution, let us say this AP square plus PB square is equal to something, yes, AP square plus PB square. So AP square is equal to, we can write x square, am I correct now? PB square is y square. See, here we have y equals to 8 minus x. This we can write, s is a function of x, let us write x square plus 8 minus x whole square. This will be x square plus 64 minus 16x plus x square. This we can write 2x square minus 16x plus 64. So now let us find out ds by dx. ds by dx equals to how much? 4x minus 16. For minimum or maximum, derivative must be 0. ds by dx equals to 0. That means 4x equals to 16. Therefore, x is equal to 4. What is x? X is nothing but, actually here, x is nothing but AP. Therefore, length of AP is equal to 4 units. So that means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. So otherwise, actually, you can do shortcut also for this one. Length is not required. So what is the shortcut means? Shortcut. For example, AP is equal to x, PB is equal to y, x plus y is equal to 8. And next, AP square plus PB square, x square plus y square is minimum. If it is minimum, when x is equal to y, x is equal to y means that must be 4. So option is AP is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay. Yes, if x plus y is equal to k, x is equal to k by 2, y is equal to k by 2. So half of this one only, 8 by 2. So answer is 4 centimeters. Sixtieth problem. Okay. The value of A, the value of A for which the function f of x equals to a sin x plus 1 by 3 sin 3x as an extremium, that means whether it may be maximum or minimum, extremium at x is equal to pi by 3 is first option 1, second option -1, third option 0, fourth option 2. This is the question. First read the question first of all. Okay, Akshay Deeman, welcome, welcome. Okay, Gopalam Sai, right. The value of a for which the function f of x equals to a sin x plus 1 by third of sin 3x as extremium at x is equal to pi by 3. So that means as it has minimum or maximum at x is equal to pi by 3, f dash x at x is equal to pi by 3 should be 0. That's all. So that means first we need to find out f dash x now. F dash x. See, f dash x equals to a sin x differentiation is a cos x plus 1 by third into sin 3x differentiation is cos 3x into 3x differentiation is 3. So 3 gets cancelled. So this equals to a cos x plus cos 3x. Okay. As f of x has extremium at x is equal to pi by 3, f dash pi by 3 must be 0. So that means a cos pi by 3 plus cos pi, cos 3 into pi by 3, cos pi must be equal to 0. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, a by 2, cos pi is minus 1 equals to 0. So a by 2 equals to 1, a is equal to 2. So that means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Right. Sixty-one. Point of extremium of f of x equals to integral of 0 to x t minus 2x square into t minus 1 of dt is 1, maximum at x is equal to 1, second minimum at x is equal to 1, third option minimum at x is equal to 2, fourth option minimum at x is equal to 2. point of extremium of f of x is equal to integral 0 to x t minus 2 whole square into t minus 1 dt. So that means in this question, first of all, we need to find out the function first. So after getting the function, then we need to find out f dash x and f double dash x. Option verifications need to be done. So if you put x is equal to 1 in f double dash x, if it is greater than 0, that will be maximum at that point. And we need to verify after finding the even turning values or extreme values. Okay, now let us do it now. So here f of x equals to integral 0 to x t minus 2x square into t minus 1 of dt. T minus 1 of dt. Here I need to explain one concept that is called Leibniz Rule. So what is the Leibniz Rule means? d by dx of integral 0 to x some f of t dt is there. So this is actually with the help of Leibniz Rule, so we can differentiate the definite integral. So this can be done, actually this value equal to f of x. You remember this one. D by dx of integral 0 to x f of t dt is equal to f of x. So that means now you are finding here f dash x. F dash x is equal to, you get like this now. So in the place of t, replace this upper limit x. You get x minus 2 whole square into x minus 1. Let us simplify. So x minus 2 whole square means x square minus 4x plus 2, sorry, plus 4 into x minus 1. So now we get x cube minus 4x square plus 4x minus x square plus 4x minus 4. So x cube minus 5x square plus 8x minus 4 is f dash x. Am I correct now? This is f dash x. So now let us find out f double dash x now. So here actually find f dash 1. F dash 1 is equal to c. You get now 1 minus 5 plus 8 minus 4. This will be 0. That means x is equal to 1. You will get it now. That is the extreme value. At x is equal to 1, it is minimum or maximum, we need to verify. So f double dash x, let us find out. What is f double dash x? 3x square, x cube differentiation, minus 10x plus 8x differentiation is 8. Now we need to check f double dash 1. This will be 3 minus 10 plus 8. This will be 1 is greater than 0. Therefore, f is minimum at x is equal to 1. So that means minimum at x is equal to 1. Second option. Third, fourth options are same. Very good. Good observation. Good observation. Let us change maximum. Okay, Sumant. Right. Second option. Right. In this case, actually, Leibniz rule, once again, you need to check it now. Once again, go through, get the concept of Leibniz rule. Very, very important. It may be useful for even sometimes limits also. The same type of questions may be asked. It will be useful for limits, and it will be useful for this chapter, and it will be useful for even definite integrals also. Sixty-two. the largest the largest the largest the largest value of f of x equals to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 5 plus 5. For minus 2 less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to 4 occurs at x is equal to first option minus 2, second option minus 1, third option 2, fourth option 4. So this is the question. See, the largest value of f of x, 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 5 for minus 2 less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to 4 at x is equal to 1. Sorry, at x is equal to, we need to find out. Okay, so now here as the interval is given means we need to find out local maximum, local minimum. That means at x is equal to minus 2 and at x is equal to 4, let us check the value now. F of minus 2. What is f of minus 2? This will be 2 into minus 8 minus 3 into 4 plus 24 plus 5. That is minus 16 minus 12 plus 29. 29 minus 28 is equal to 1. Let us find out f of 4. F of 4 is equal to 2 into 64, 4 cube, minus 3 into 16, minus 48 plus 5. This is equal to 128 minus 48 minus 48 plus 5. So 133 minus 96. How much you will be getting? Srinivas LR, I am unable to send messages from my another account. Why? So what is your account? What is your account? Just type it now. I will check later after completion of the class. So 133 96 minus 96. This will be 7 3 37. So 37 will be maximum. This will be minimum. That means at x is equal to 4. So fourth option is the right option. Right, 37. 37. Srinivas, You give your ID, then I will check it now. '63. The greatest and least value of f of x equals to x square log x in the interval closed 1 comma e or respectively. Okay, or respectively are. First option e square comma 0. Second option is 0 comma minus 1 by 2. Third option is 1 by 4 comma 0. Fourth option e comma 1 by e. Okay. So now here the greatest and least values of f of x equals to x square log x in the interval. Already interval is given. Whenever interval is given, that means local maximum, local minimum you need to find out. So that means not relative maximum, relative minimum. So that means actually here, first let us find out f of 1. F of 1 is equal to, you get 1 square log 1. 1 square is 1, log 1 is 0, you get 0. This will be obviously minimum, least value. F of e square log e to the base e, that is e square into 1. So 1. Therefore, greatest value will be, this will be e square. Least value is 0. That means obviously first option is the right option. First option. Lakshmi Rokkam, check it, your option. I will tell you one logic. If generally the question is given like this, we can remember one condition. If f of x is an increasing function in the closed interval a comma b, f of a will be the minimum value, f of b will be the maximum value. For example, if f of x is decreasing function in the interval closed interval a comma b, f of a becomes maximum, f of b becomes minimum. So that also you can take into consideration. You will be having this concept in your notebooks or material. You can go through them. '64. If small m and capital M respectively denote the minimum and maximum minimum and maximum of f of x equals to x minus 1 whole square plus 3 for x belongs to closed minus 3 comma 1, then order pair small m comma capital M. Okay. First option minus 3 comma 19. Second option 3 comma 19. Third option minus 19 comma 3. Fourth option minus 19 comma minus 3. This is the question. Okay, first now here m are denote the minimum and maximum. Small m is the minimum, capital M is the maximum of f of x equals to x minus 1 whole square plus 3. X belongs to minus 3 comma 1. Then actually if you substitute x is equal to 1, you get minimum value. So small m is equal to f minimum at x is equal to 1. So that means you will be getting like this now, 1 minus 1 square plus 3. This will be 3. Now capital M, f max at x is equal to minus 3. That means minus 4 square plus 3. 16 plus 3, 16 plus 3, which will be 19. So that means which is the right option now? We need to find out order pair. M comma M is 3 comma 19. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. So don't worry about the more viewers for us. So sincere viewers, regular viewers are required. Okay. Okay. So now 65th problem. 65th. In the interval in the interval closed 0 comma 1, the function x to the power of 25 multiplied by 1 minus x whole to the power of 75 takes a maximum value at first option x is equal to 0, second option x is equal to 1 by 2. Third option, x is equal to 1 by 4. Fourth option, x is equal to 1. Okay. See, the interval 0, comma 1, the function x to the power of 25, 1 minus x whole to the power of 75 takes the maximum value at. So that means you can check by substituting also. Otherwise, we have the shortcut we can apply. Shortcut. So this type of question generally we do with the help of the shortcut. X by 25 equals to 1 minus x by 75. Once again, let me explain. A by b is equal to p by q. For example, these two ratios are equal. It's equivalent to sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. This concept also you can apply here. X plus 1 minus x upon 75 plus, sorry, 25 plus 75. X cancel. That will be 1 by 100. So now x equals to 25 by 100 equals to 1 by 4. You check it whether 1 by 4 is in this interval or not. See, the 1 by 4 is 0.25 belongs to this interval 0, comma 1. So that means x is equal to 1 by 4. Right. Okay, now 66. When x belongs to minus 6, comma 8, the maximum value of x plus 6 whole to the power of 4 into 8 minus x whole cube is right. First option 6 to the power of 4 8 cube. Second option 8 to the power of 4 into 6 cube. Third option 4 to the power of 4 into 10 cube. Fourth option 10 to the power of 4 into 4 cube. Okay, what will happen means if you put x is equal to minus 6 or 8, you get 0 only. That's why to get maximum value here, we need to apply the shortcut. So what is the shortcut we can apply? The shortcut is very, very useful. X plus 6 by 4 equals to 8 minus x by 3. Sum of the numerators x plus 6 plus 8 minus x by 4 plus 3. X gets cancelled, 14 by 7, 2. So that means x plus 6 equals to 8 and 8 minus x is equal to 6. Now f maximum is equal to, in the place of 8 plus x plus 6, 8 to the power of 4 into, in the place of 8 minus x, 6 cube. So second option is the right option. most of the competitive entrance examinations, these type of questions, shortcut questions will appear. So it will be so easy to solve the problem. You can enjoy while attempting the examination. '67 question. If x and y are strictly positive, such that x plus y equals to 1, Pranav JSR, what is Srija? So in the last step, actually, I evaluated x plus 6 value and 8 minus 6 value, just substituted, that's all. '66. Then the minimum value of x log x plus y log y is first option log 2, second option minus log 2, third option is 2 log 2, fourth option is 0. Okay, does it matter? Whatever question number may be. Okay, right. So this is actually the question. X and y are positive. Strictly positive means x greater than 0, y greater than 0. X plus y is equal to 1 given. X log x plus y log y, the minimum value we need to find out. So that means whenever we have like this, x plus y is equal to k, some constant given, x is equal to y is equal to k by 2, you need to substitute. So that means here x is equal to y is equal to 1 by 2. So direct answer you will get it. Minimum value equals to of log of plus of log of. So this will be log of. So of plus of is 1, log of. This we can write log 2 power minus 1. Using power rule, this can be written minus log 2. That means second option is the right option. Okay. Suresh, you okay. Right now, actually, if you want to do this problem actually it will be one page problem. But if you just apply this kind of tip, easily we can solve it. Option 4, Prasanna, how it is option 4? So it cannot be 0. Right. So subject to this condition, we need to find out. This becomes only x is equal to 1 possible, 0. So x plus y equal to 1 means x and y are both are strictly positive. X cannot be 0, y cannot be 0. So that is the problem is there. Subject to this condition, it cannot be becomes 0. Please remember. Right. '68 problem. 68. The function f of x equals to, this is f of x equals to Anjan Kumar, Addanki, Parvati, you are new. You have retracted your message. So we are regular viewers are watching. Definitely they will inform me. Don't do. What happened today? So it's not moving. X minus 1 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square plus dash dash x minus 9 whole square has minimum at x is equal to, first option 3, second option 7, third option 5, fourth option is 9. Okay, first read the question, all of you. Parvati, concentrate on the subject. Don't call Suman like that. Akshay, Deeman, I could 65 and this is 68. I will discuss later. Don't worry. Don't worry. Right. So the function f of x equals to x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square plus x minus 9 whole square as minimum at x is equal to. So now I will give the shortcut. Please all of you note down the shortcut here. What is the shortcut means? Shortcut. Please note down this shortcut. Because sometimes the same question may be given like this. See, f of x equals to x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square and plus so on x minus n whole square as minimum at x is equal to 0. If you remember, easily we can solve this problem. F of x equals to x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square plus so on dash dash plus x minus n whole square, because it has n terms, has minimum when x is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash dash plus n divided by n. Okay, that means arithmetic mean of the first n natural numbers. Here you will be getting using applying this shortcut. Here x is equal to, now we have x is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on dash dash plus 9 by 9. Okay, this will be how much? Actually 9 into 9 plus 1, 10 by 2 by 9. 9 gets cancelled, we have 5. This is the answer. Because here I applied sum to first n terms is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, this formula. Here actually n is equal to 1 to 9. So 9 into 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 2 by 9, 9 cancelled, 10 by 2, 5. Our arithmetic mean of first n natural numbers also directly also we can write. So x is equal to n plus 1 by 2. This we can write. Arithmetic mean of first n natural numbers. Here n stands for 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 2. This is 5. This is actually very easy method. So now option number 3. Right? Varun Addagatla, can I talk to you after the class, sir? Varun Addagatla, you might be new to my class. Actually, have you subscribed first? You chat it now. First you need to subscribe and you ask others, they will give the number. So Kishore correct, Suma correct, Srija correct, Sai Kumar, Lakshmaya, yes. Okay, first you subscribe, Varun. So now let us move to the next question, 68 question. 68. 68. Okay. A quadratic function in x has the value 9 when x equals to 1 and has a maximum value 10 when x is equal to 2, then the function is first option x square minus 4x plus 6, second option minus x square plus 4x plus 6, third option minus x square minus 4x plus 6, fourth option x square plus 4x plus 6. This is minus 6. This is the question. Okay. 69th question. Thank you. Option 2, I think. Right. Uh, okay. So now, with the help of the options only, this problem can be solved. A quadratic function in x has the value 9 when x is equal to 1. Maximum value when x is equal to 2. Maximum means quadratic function will be in the form of like this. F of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c form. Bx plus c form. Here providing a less than 0. X square coefficient must be negative. X square coefficient must be negative means first option will be eliminated, fourth option will be eliminated. Either second or third will be the options only. Already two options have been eliminated. Now take the second option. Second option you take it. What is the second option? F of x is equal to, we have minus x square plus 4x plus 6. It should have the value, when x is equal to 1, it should have the value 9. That means f of 1 find. F of 1 should be equal to 9. So minus 1 plus 4 plus 6. So that will be 9. Yes, second option will be the right option. That's all. Option verification can be done. Problem number 70 problem. So okay. Joseph, downtown. What is meant by downtown, Joseph? Downtown. You are from downtown street. F of x equals to 1 plus b square of x square plus 2bx plus 1, and m of b is the m of b is the m of b is the minimum value of f of x as b varies the range of, as b varies the range of m of b. We need to find out. First option closed 0 comma 1. Second option 0 comma 1 by 2. Third option 1 by 2 comma 1. Fourth option open 0 comma 1 closed. That means 0 is not included, 1 is included. Okay, Sai Venkat. Okay, Sai Venkat. This is your new ID. I searched for even there. I didn't get it. So one more thing, viewers, please be careful. Generally, if you chart other than the mathematics subject, I'm not only few members actually. I'm going to hide them. But generally, after getting requisitions, I will unhide. But what is happening means here, I don't know. Some other viewers are actually blocking you, so you need to remember that one, because you should be careful. Even if they block you, you will be blocked from our channel. Please don't chat other than mathematics, because other viewers are not interested in other matters. So that's why be careful while chatting. So you need to follow the uh, community guidelines. That's very important. Option 1. Okay, let us see. This problem is very important problem. F of x is equal to 1 plus b square of x square plus 2bx plus 1, and m of b is the minimum value of f of x. As b changes, how does m of b will change? That we need to find out. I think this question might have discussed in quadratic equations also, expressions also. But this question is actually based on, these type of questions are called complex type questions. Complex type questions. Complex type questions means this question is from quadratic expressions and linked with the functions. So that is the beauty of the question here. First we need to find out minimum value of f of x. So that can be evaluated using 4ac minus b square by 4a. After that, range of that minimum value we need to find out. Okay, let us do it now. Okay, first m of b is minimum value of quadratic expression f of x. Formula. Okay, I will write formula once again. 4ac minus b square by 4a. Here 4 multiplied by a stands for this value. This is a. This will be b. This will be c. Substituting. 4 into 1 plus b square. C is 1. Minus b square means minus 2b whole square is 4b square by 4a. 4 into 1 plus b square. So now 4 common. 1 plus b square minus b square upon 4 into 1 plus b square. 4 gets cancelled. B square gets cancelled. 1 by 1 plus b square. That means now we need to find out range of this function. Range of this function. What is the confusion, Pravalika? Nothing is there. The minimum value of f of x quadratic expression has been evaluated here. Okay. So now we need to find out range of this function. See, I will explain. It's clear 1 by 1 plus b square never becomes 0. It is strictly positive. And one more thing, it may be, if you put 0, the 1 plus 1 by b square will be less than or equal to 1. Joining these two, we get now 0 less than 1 by 1 plus b square less than or equal to 1. That means 0 less than m of b is less than or equal to 1. Therefore, m of b belongs to open 0, closed 1. So that means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, it's too hot today. $71. Okay, Ashwaradi. Right. The maximum area of a rectangle of perimeter 176 centimeters is first option 1936 centimeters square, second option 1854 centimeters square, third option 2110 centimeters square, fourth option 1916 centimeters square. This is the question. So I don't have the idea, Rajeshwari, because in a live streaming session, this generally we cannot say all these things unless any relevant information is obtained from the concerned governments, then I can say. Maximum area of a rectangle of perimeter 176 centimeters is. Okay, so first let us consider a rectangle. It is not to the scale, just rough diagram. Let us say length is x, breadth is y. Now what is given here? Perimeter is given. Say perimeter P. What is the perimeter? This length plus this length, x, say this y. This will be 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y, whose value is equal to 176. Divide by 2. So we get x plus y is equal to 2 8 ja 88. Say equation 1. So now the maximum area of rectangle, length into breadth, xy, it should be maximum. Whenever x plus y is equal to some constant given, we know shortcut. X is equal to y is equal to k by 2. So k by 2 means here 44. So maximum area, A max, is equal to 44 into 44. That means what is the 44 into 44? 44 into 44, 16, 176, 6, 7, 1. 6, this will be 3, 9, 1936. So 1936 centimeters square. So first option is the right option. Yes. 72. 72. The perimeter of a sector is given. The perimeter of a sector is given. The area is maximum. The area is maximum. The area is maximum when the angle of sector is first option 1 radian, second option 2 radians, third option 3 radians, fourth option 4 radians. 4 radians. This is the question. Yes, L into B, length into breadth, area of the so now the perimeter of a sector is given. That means the perimeter of a sector is constant. Given means the area is maximum. To maximize the area, what will be the angle of the sector? So this is very important. This also standard result. Standard result. This you need to remember while going to the examination. Answer is second option. The perimeter of a sector is given, the area is maximum, the angle of sector is always constant, that is 2 radians. But if you want, I will prove it. So if you don't want, I'll switch over to the next problem. Okay. Okay. Right now, so if you want proof, you take a circle, say this is sector, okay, say O, this is A, this is B. This will be the radius R, fixed constant, fixed. This will be the length of the arc, say L. What is given here? The perimeter of a sector is given. Perimeter means this length of the arc plus radius plus radius. That means L plus 2R is equal to say constant K. So now here we need to find out. So L, length of the arc L is equal to, formula we have, L is equal to R theta. So R theta plus 2R equals to K. We can take out R common. Theta plus 2 equal to K. So let us find out R value in terms of theta. K by theta plus 2, where K is constant. This is equation 1. Now area of the sector is given by area is equal to half r square theta. Please remember this is a formula. So now half into r square means k square by theta plus 2 whole square into theta. Now we need to maximize this one. dA by d theta you need to find out and equate to 0. Okay. Okay, now we have A equals to k square by 2, it will be constant, into theta by theta plus 2 whole square. Okay. Now this A can be written very simple manner, you can do it, no problem. Differentiation also simple. This we can write theta plus 2 minus 2 by theta plus 2 whole square add on. That means partial fractions we are finding. A k square by 2 into theta plus 2 by theta plus 2 whole square. 1 by theta plus 2 and minus 2 by theta plus 2 whole square. Now let us find out dA by d theta. With respect to theta, let us differentiate. K square by 2 into 1 by theta plus 2 differentiation is 1 minus 1 by theta plus 2 whole square. 1 by theta plus 2 whole square is differentiation is minus 2 by theta plus 2 whole cube. So that means plus we will be getting 4 by theta plus 2 whole cube. So now dA by d theta equals to 0 to get maximum. This will be 0. That means 4 by theta plus 2 whole cube equals to 1 by theta plus 2 whole square. Here theta plus 2 you will be getting. Theta plus 2 is equal to 4. Theta is equal to 2 radians. So this is the proof. So this is the answer. Okay. So better my suggestion is actually remember I explained the method also, but you might have solved in your intermediate, I think so, this problem. But remember this one as the standard result. I will check here once again. It's good here. Lakshmi Garu, you are good. Okay. Seventy-third problem. 73rd problem. Surya Prakash, it cannot be minimum. It cannot be minimum. Because in this case, the dimensions okay, the dimensions of a rectangle of a rectangle, dimensions of a rectangle of maximum area with perimeter 2p. Perimeter 2p or, for example, p by 2, p by 2. Okay. Second, p by 3, 2p by 3. Third option, p by 3, 3p by 4. Fourth option, p by 2 and p by 3. So now it's 100. So now you need to get it now. Okay. Right. The dimensions of a rectangle we need to find out with given perimeter. So let us draw a rough diagram or rectangle. Let us say x, breadth y, length x, it's y. What is given? Perimeter is given. Perimeter means 2x plus 2y equal to 2p. Now x plus y is equal to p, which is constant. Here maximum area for Amax, for maximum area, x must be, y must be equal to p by 2. Therefore dimensions are p by 2 comma p by 2. Dhruvansh, the area of sector cannot be minimum because when it is minimum it won't be a sector, it will be a, okay. So now the 62nd. Question number 74. Two sides of a triangle are given if the area of the triangle is maximum, then the angle between the sides is included sides. That means, right, first option is pi by 6. Second option pi by 4. Third option is pi by 3. Fourth option pi by 2. Yes sir, yesterday 50th question. Aviprakash, I didn't actually go through that question, Anna. Tomorrow definitely, definitely. Thank you for reminding me. Right. Rekender Vamshi, why should I stop the class? Hmm? Sumant. Now, pi by 6, pi by 3, pi by 4 and pi by 2. The two sides of a triangle are given. They are constant. If the area of the triangle is maximum, then what is the angle between the sides? So that means actually take a triangle, say this is A, this is B, C. For example, this side is B, this side is C. BC are constant, but for example, this is varying. This angle is varying, say theta. Theta is varying. So at what value of theta, the area of the triangle becomes maximum. So that means now, let us say area of the triangle S is equal to, in properties of triangle we have studied, of BC sin A. Am I correct now? Here of BC sin theta A is equal to. We need to maximize S. So find ds by d theta. That is of BC is constant because given, sides are given, sin theta differentiation cos theta. For S max, ds by d theta should be 0. That means this is equated to 0. We get cos theta is equal to 0. Cos theta becomes 0 when theta is equal to pi by 2. That means if this triangle becomes right angle triangle, then area will be maximum. That means this cos theta, otherwise the cos theta must be equal to 1. If it is possible, cos theta is maximum 1, then you get of BC. Here theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta must become right angle. Okay. So now fourth option is the right option. Okay. $75. The maximum area of a rectangle inscribed in a circle in a circle of radius 5 centimeters is first option 25 square units, second option right 50 square units. Third option is 100 square units. Fourth option 75 square units. So Mr. Gaming Zone, so one thing remember, for example, if you are going to appear for the examination, so when you have the examination timings will be so 3 hours. In the 3 hours, if you feel like that, you can leave the examination hall. Then you have the choice to listen the class or continue the class or practice the class, or otherwise you can leave your examination also, no problem. Okay, right now. Okay, maximum area of a rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius 5 centimeters. That means a rectangle okay, a rectangle is inscribed in a circle. Then we need to find out the area of the circle, maximum area of the, the maximum area of the rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. Circle in which a rectangle is inscribed. The center, you join this one. This will be the diameter. For example, 5. This will be 10 centimeters. Say A, B, C, D. Dimension say X, Y. This is a right angle triangle. We have the relation Pythagoras theorem. We get x square plus y square equal to 10 square. So x square is equal to, or y square is equal to 100 minus x square. Say equation 1. Now area of the rectangle. Area is equal to length into breadth, xy. You square it this one. A square is equal to x square into y square. From 1, this we can write x square into 100 minus x square. This will be 100x square minus x to the power of 4. One relevant information, important information I will give to you. If a square is maximum, a is also maximum. That means we need not go for back. Maxima is a square, that's all. So then obviously a becomes maximum. So that means now d of dx of a square find out. So that will be 200x minus 4x cube. It will be equated to 0. 4x cube is equal to 200x. This will be square. So x square is equal to 50. Now x will be square root of 50. 25 into 2, 5 root 2. Now even y also becomes, x becomes, y becomes 5 root 2 only. Now maximum area, A max, xy, 5 root 2 into 5 root 2, 25 into 4, that will be 100. Sorry, 25 into 2, 5 root 2 into 5 root 2, that is 50. Second option is the right option. Okay, second option. Okay. Seventy-sixth problem. If three sides of a trapezium are each equal to 2 centimeters, then the maximum area of the trapezium is first option 3 root 3 by 4 centimeter square, second option 3 root 3 by 2 centimeter square, third option 3 root 3 centimeter square, fourth option 6 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, I will check here once again. It's good here. Okay, if three sides of a trapezium are each equal to 2 centimeters, the maximum area of the trapezium we need to find out. The maximum area of trapezium we need to find out. Okay. So first let us take a trapezium. It's called trapezoidal shape. Say A, C, B, D. This is 2 centimeters, this is 2 centimeters, this is 2 centimeters. Okay. Now draw perpendicular here. Here also draw the perpendicular. Say this is E, this is F, or something. Say this is P point, better you say Q point. Okay. For example, let us say this angle is theta, this angle also theta, because these two sides are equal, these are parallel. Okay. So now this is as for the given data I have drawn the figure. First we need to find out area of the trapezium. Here you remember one thing. First three sides of a trapezium each equal to, then we need to find out area of the trapezium. First what is the area of the trapezium means. For example, this AD is A, this BC is B, the distance from here to here is something H. Area of the trapezium is given by the formula A equal to half into sum of the parallel sides A plus B into height. This is the formula. So here we need to find out BC, we need to find out height, we need to find out. See, first let us find out PB here. What is PB? In this right angle triangle, PB will be the adjacent side. Hypotenuse is 2. So PB will be 2 cos theta. Otherwise, find cos theta. Cos theta is equal to BP by 2. BP is equal to 2 cos theta. Similarly, QC is also 2 cos theta. And next PQ will be rectangle, that is 2 units. Now BC becomes, BC is equal to 2 cos theta plus 2 cos theta 2. 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta. That will be 4 cos theta plus 2. Am I correct now? So this equals to BC, we got it now. Then AP, you need to find out height. AP will be sin theta. If you take, this will be 2 sin theta. AP will be 2 sin theta. So let us substitute in this formula now. Go to next page. Now area is equal to half into AD plus BC into height AP. So that is half into AD. AD is 2 units. BC is equal to 4 cos theta plus 2. AD is equal to 2 sin theta. Okay. So now this 2 gets cancelled. We have 4 plus 4 cos theta into sin theta. Take 4 common. 4 into 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. See, this 1 plus cos theta we can write 2 cos square theta by 2. Sin theta we can write 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So very interesting problem this is. This is 16 sin of theta by 2. Then we have cos cube of theta by 2. So we have one shortcut formula. Suppose f of x is equal to sin x to the power of m cos x to the power of n. Then it is maximum f is maximum when tan x is equal to root of m by n. So it will be maximum theta by 2 equals to tan inverse of root of m. M means power 1, 1 by 3. Tan inverse 1 by root 3 is equal to 30 degrees, pi by 6. Theta is equal to pi by 6. So when theta is equal to pi by 6, we need to find out this value now. So now A max is equal to, here in this one substitute theta is equal to pi by 6. 4 into 1 plus cos, this is pi by 3 cos 60. 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2 sin 60 is. This will be 3 by 2 into 2. 6 into 3 by root 3 by 2. 3 root 3. So third option is the right option. Okay. So we shall continue in the next session. Thank you one and all. See you.